The deep sea, a world of perpetual darkness, may appear silent, yet beneath the surface a symphony of sound unfolds. An orchestra of clicks, whistles and moans paints a vibrant picture of life in the abyss. These sounds, often unnoticed by human ears, are vital to the survival of countless marine creatures. Join us as we dive into the ocean's soundscapes and uncover the secrets of this hidden world. Whales, the giants of the ocean, are renowned for their haunting songs. These complex vocalizations used for communication can travel for hundreds of miles underwater. Dolphins, with their clicks, whistles and squeaks, engage in intricate conversations, navigating and hunting with remarkable precision. Even the smallest creatures like snapping shrimp contribute to the underwater soundscape. Their rapid claw snaps create a crackling chorus, a testament to the sheer diversity of life in our oceans. To study these elusive sounds, scientists deploy hydrophones, specialized underwater microphones. Lowered into the depths, these instruments capture the ocean symphony, revealing a world teeming with acoustic activity. By analyzing these recordings, researchers can identify different species, track their movements, and monitor the health of marine ecosystems. The data gathered helps us understand the impact of human activities like shipping and oil exploration on marine life. At GAP 3S, the deep sea is home to some of the most bizarre and fascinating creatures on Earth. From bioluminescent jellyfish casting an otherworldly glow to the elusive giant squid with its massive tentacles, these creatures have adapted to survive in extreme conditions. In this chapter, we will explore the unique adaptations and behaviors of these deep-sea dwellers. Our GAP 3S. Imagine descending into the inky blackness where sunlight never penetrates. Here, life has evolved in extraordinary ways. Bioluminescence, for example, is not just a beautiful spectacle, but a vital survival tool. Creatures like the anglerfish use glowing lures to attract prey, while others emit light to communicate or deter predators. GAP 3S, the giant squid, once the stuff of legends, navigates these dark waters with its enormous eyes, specially adapted to detect the faintest traces of light. Meanwhile, the vampire squid employs a cloak of bioluminescent mucus to confuse attackers and make a swift escape. GAP 3S. These adaptations are not just fascinating, they are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of life on our planet. By studying these extraordinary creatures, scientists gain insights into the limits of life and the incredible diversity of Earth's biosphere. GAP 3S. As we unveil the hidden wonders of the deep sea, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains these ecosystems. Understanding and protecting these unique habitats is essential not just for the creatures that call them home, but for the health of our entire planet. GAP 3S. Sound plays a crucial role in the navigation and communication of marine animals. In this chapter, we will delve into how different species use sound to find their way, locate prey, and communicate with each other. GAP 3S. Imagine the vast dark ocean where visibility is limited and navigating by sight is nearly impossible. Here, sound becomes the primary sense for many marine creatures. Whales, for instance, use echolocation to map their surroundings and detect distant objects. They emit a series of clicks that bounce off objects and return as echoes, painting a sonic picture of their environment. GAP 3S. Dolphins, known for their intelligence and social behavior, also rely on echolocation. They produce a variety of sounds, including whistles and clicks, to communicate, locate prey, and coordinate with their pod members. This intricate acoustic language allows them to maintain complex social structures and navigate the ocean with precision. GAP 3S. Even tiny shrimp use sound to their advantage. The snapping shrimp, for example, creates a loud snapping noise with its claw, stunning prey and deterring predators. These sounds are vital for their survival in the competitive underwater world. GAP 3S. However, human activities such as shipping, sonar, and seismic surveys are introducing excessive noise into the ocean, disrupting these natural processes. The cacophony of human-made sounds can interfere with marine animals' ability to navigate, find food, and communicate, posing a significant threat to their survival. Gap 3S. Understanding the role of sound in marine navigation highlights the importance of preserving the ocean's acoustic environment. By mitigating noise pollution and promoting responsible practices, we can help ensure that marine life continues to thrive in its natural habitat. The symphony of the ocean is not just a marvel to behold, but a critical component of the delicate balance that sustains life beneath the waves. Gap 3S. With advancements in technology, we are now able to explore the deep sea like never before. In this chapter, we will look at the latest tools and techniques used by scientists to study the ocean's depths. Gap 3S. From remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, to autonomous underwater drones, these innovations are helping us uncover the mysteries of the deep. Gap 3S. ROVs equipped with high-definition cameras and robotic arms allow researchers to capture stunning footage and collect samples from the ocean floor. These vehicles can reach depths that are otherwise inaccessible to humans, revealing hidden ecosystems and previously unknown species. Gap 3S autonomous underwater drones, or AUVs, are another game-changer. These self-guided machines can cover vast areas of the ocean, mapping the seafloor and gathering data on water quality, temperature, and currents. This information is crucial for understanding the complex dynamics of the marine environment. Gap 3S. Additionally, advanced sonar systems are providing detailed images of underwater landscapes, helping scientists identify geological features and potential habitats for marine life. These technologies are not only expanding our knowledge of the deep sea, but also aiding in conservation efforts by highlighting areas that need protection. Gap 3S. The future of ocean exploration is bright, with new innovations continually pushing the boundaries of what we can discover. By embracing these technologies, we are not only unlocking the secrets of the deep, but also paving the way for a more sustainable relationship with our oceans. The wonders of the deep sea are within our reach, and each discovery brings us closer to understanding the intricate tapestry of life that exists beneath the waves. Gap 3SS. The health of our oceans is vital to the well-being of our planet. In this chapter, we will discuss the importance of marine conservation and the steps we can take to protect our oceans. Gap 3S. From reducing plastic pollution to establishing marine protected areas, there are many ways we can contribute to the preservation of marine ecosystems. Gap 3S. Plastic pollution is one of the most significant threats to marine life. Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste end up in the ocean, harming countless marine species. Simple actions such as reducing single-use plastics, recycling, and participating in beach cleanups can make a substantial impact. Gap 3S. Establishing marine protected areas, MPAs, is another crucial step. MPAs are regions of the ocean where human activities are more strictly regulated to conserve the natural environment. These areas serve as safe havens for marine life, allowing ecosystems to thrive and recover from human-induced damage. Gap 3S. Sustainable fishing practices are also essential. Overfishing depletes fish populations and disrupts the balance of marine ecosystems. By supporting sustainable seafood choices and advocating for stronger fishing regulations, we can help ensure the long-term health of our oceans. Gap 3S. Additionally, reducing carbon emissions is vital in combating ocean acidification and warming, which threaten marine habitats like coral reefs. By embracing renewable energy sources and promoting energy efficiency, we can mitigate these impacts. Gap 3S. The future of our oceans depends on our actions today. Through collective effort and responsible stewardship, we can safeguard the incredible diversity of life beneath the waves and ensure a healthy ocean for generations to come. Together, we have the power to make a difference. Gap 3S. The ocean plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. In this chapter, we will explore how the ocean absorbs and stores carbon dioxide and how this process affects global climate patterns. Gap 3S. The ocean acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing about a quarter of the carbon dioxide emitted by human activities each year. This absorption helps to mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere. Gap 3S. However, this process also has its downsides. When CO2 dissolves in seawater, it forms carbonic acid, leading to ocean acidification. This change in the ocean's chemistry can have severe impacts on marine life, particularly organisms with calcium carbonate shells or skeletons, such as corals and shellfish. Gap 3S. Climate change also leads to rising ocean temperatures, which can cause coral bleaching and disrupt marine food webs. The melting of polar ice caps and glaciers contributes to sea level rise, threatening coastal communities and habitats. Gap 3S. To mitigate these effects, it is essential to reduce our carbon footprint by transitioning to renewable energy sources, enhancing energy efficiency, and protecting and restoring blue carbon ecosystems like mangroves, seagrasses, and salt marshes. These habitats not only sequester carbon but also provide vital services such as coastal protection and support for biodiversity. Gap 3S. The health of our oceans is intrinsically linked to the health of our planet. By understanding and addressing the ocean's role in climate regulation, we can take meaningful steps towards a more sustainable future. Together, we can ensure that the ocean continues to be a vital ally in the fight against climate change. Gap 3S. Coral reefs are some of the most diverse and vibrant ecosystems on the planet. In this chapter, we will explore the unique characteristics of coral reefs, the threats they face, and the efforts being made to protect them. Gap 3S. Coral reefs are often referred to as the rainforests of the sea due to their incredible biodiversity. These underwater structures are formed by colonies of tiny animals called polyps, which secrete calcium carbonate to build the reef's skeleton. Gap 3S. Coral reefs provide habitat and shelter for many marine organisms, serving as breeding grounds and nurseries for various species of fish and invertebrates. They also play a crucial role in protecting coastlines from erosion and storm surges. Gap 3S. However, coral reefs are under threat from a range of human activities. Coral bleaching caused by rising sea temperatures is one of the most significant challenges. When water temperatures rise, corals expel the symbiotic algae living in their tissues, causing the corals to turn white and become more susceptible to disease. Gap 3S. Overfishing and destructive fishing practices such as blast fishing and cyanide fishing also pose significant threats to coral reefs. These practices can cause physical damage to the reef structure and disrupt the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Gap 3S. Pollution, particularly from plastic waste and agricultural runoff, further exacerbates the stress on coral reefs. Sedimentation from coastal development can smother corals, while nutrient runoff can lead to harmful algal blooms that deplete oxygen levels in the water. Gap 3S. Despite these challenges, there are efforts underway to protect and restore coral reefs. Marine protected areas, MPAs, and sustainable fishing practices help to reduce human impacts on coral reefs. Coral restoration projects, such as coral gardening and artificial reefs, aim to rehabilitate damaged reefs and promote coral growth. Gap 3S. Public awareness and education are also crucial in the fight to save coral reefs. By understanding the importance of these ecosystems and the threats they face, we can take action to reduce our impact and support conservation efforts. Gap 3S. Coral reefs are vital to the health of our oceans and our planet. By working together to protect and restore these extraordinary ecosystems, we can ensure that they continue to thrive for generations to come. Gap 3S. The deep sea is not only home to fascinating creatures, but also to remarkable geological features. In this chapter, we will explore underwater volcanoes, hydrothermal vents, and deep-sea trenches. These geological wonders provide unique habitats for marine life and offer insights into the Earth's geological processes. Gap 3S. Underwater volcanoes, also known as seamounts, rise from the ocean floor and can reach towering heights. These volcanic structures are hotspots of biodiversity, attracting a wide array of marine organisms. The nutrient-rich waters around seamounts support vibrant ecosystems, including corals, sponges, and schools of fish. Gap 3S. Hydrothermal vents are another awe-inspiring feature of the deep sea. These vents form along mid-ocean ridges where tectonic plates are pulling apart, allowing seawater to seep into the Earth's crust. The water is heated by magma and then expelled back into the ocean, carrying with it a cocktail of minerals. This creates a unique environment where chemosynthetic bacteria thrive, forming the base of a food web that supports a diverse community of organisms, including giant tube worms, clams, and shrimp. Gap 3S. Deep sea trenches are the deepest parts of the ocean, formed by the subduction of one tectonic plate beneath another. These trenches can reach depths of over 36,000 feet, creating an environment of extreme pressure and darkness. Despite these harsh conditions, life finds a way to thrive. Unique species such as the snailfish and the giant amphipod have adapted to survive in these extreme environments. Gap 3S. The geological wonders of the deep sea not only provide habitats for marine life, but also offer valuable insights into the Earth's geological processes. By studying these features, scientists can learn more about plate tectonics, volcanic activity, and the origins of life on our planet. Gap 3S. The deep sea remains one of the least explored and understood regions of our planet. As technology advances, we have the opportunity to uncover more of its secrets and appreciate the incredible diversity and complexity of this hidden world. By protecting these unique environments, we can ensure that the deep sea continues to inspire and fascinate us for generations to come. Gap 3S. The ocean has a significant influence on global weather patterns. In this chapter, we will discuss how ocean currents, temperature, and salinity affect weather systems. We will also explore the impact of phenomena like El Niño and La Niña on global climate and weather patterns. Gap 3S. Ocean currents act as conveyor belts, transporting warm and cold water across the globe. These currents regulate temperatures by redistributing heat from the equator to the poles, influencing weather patterns and climate. For example, the Gulf Stream carries warm water from the Gulf of Mexico up the eastern coast of the United States, contributing to milder winters in Western Europe. Gap 3S. Temperature and salinity variations in the ocean also play a crucial role in weather systems. Warmer water can lead to the formation of powerful storms, such as hurricanes and typhoons. These storms draw energy from the warm ocean surface, gaining strength as they move across the water. Conversely, cold ocean currents can stabilize the atmosphere, reducing the likelihood of storm formation. Gap 3S. El Niño and La Niña are two well-known phenomena that have a profound impact on global climate and weather patterns. El Niño occurs when warm water in the Pacific Ocean shifts eastward, disrupting normal weather patterns. This can lead to increased rainfall in some regions and drought in others. La Niña, on the other hand, is characterized by cooler than average water in the central and eastern Pacific, often resulting in drier conditions in some areas and increased rainfall in others. Gap 3S. Understanding the ocean's influence on weather patterns is essential for predicting and preparing for extreme weather events. By studying ocean currents, temperature, and salinity, scientists can gain valuable insights into the complex interactions between the ocean and the atmosphere. This knowledge can help us develop more accurate weather forecasts and improve our ability to respond to climate-related challenges. Gap 3S. The ocean's influence on weather patterns is a testament to the interconnectedness of our planet's systems. By appreciating and protecting the ocean, we can help ensure a stable and resilient climate for future generations. Gap 3S. The field of marine research is constantly evolving, with new discoveries and technologies emerging all the time. In this chapter, we will look at the future of marine research and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. From deep-sea exploration to marine biotechnology, the future of marine science is full of promise and potential. Gap 3S. Advanced technologies such as autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, are revolutionizing our ability to explore the deep sea. These cutting-edge tools allow scientists to venture into previously inaccessible areas, uncovering new species and geological formations that expand our understanding of the ocean's mysteries. Gap 3S, marine biotechnology, is another frontier brimming with potential. Researchers are developing innovative ways to harness the ocean's biological resources for medical, environmental, and industrial applications. For example, marine organisms are being studied for their unique compounds that could lead to new antibiotics, cancer treatments, and biofuels. Gap 3S, the integration of big data and artificial intelligence, is also transforming marine research. By analyzing vast amounts of oceanographic data, scientists can identify patterns and make predictions about ocean conditions, marine life behavior, and climate change impacts. These insights are crucial for informed decision-making and sustainable ocean management. Gap 3S. Collaboration and interdisciplinary approaches are key to the future of marine research. By bringing together experts from various fields, such as oceanography, biology, engineering, and computer science, we can tackle complex challenges and drive innovation. International partnerships and citizen science initiatives also play a vital role in expanding our collective knowledge and fostering a global commitment to ocean conservation. Gap 3S. As we look to the future, it's clear that marine research holds the potential to unlock new discoveries and solutions that will benefit both the ocean and humanity. By embracing technological advancements and fostering collaboration, we can continue to explore, understand, and protect the incredible marine world that sustains us all. Imagine a world without the enchanting songs of whales or the rhythmic clicks of dolphins. Sadly, human noise pollution from shipping, sonar, and seismic surveys is increasingly drowning out the ocean's natural soundscapes. This acoustic smog can have devastating consequences for marine life, disrupting communication, navigation, and even breeding patterns. Preserving the ocean's acoustic integrity is crucial for the well-being of its inhabitants and the health of our planet. By reducing noise pollution and promoting responsible ocean stewardship, we can ensure that the symphony of the deep continues to enchant generations to come.